Hey everyone! Struggling to rank on Google even after spending hours writing content? You're not alone. Creating SEO-optimized articles shouldn't feel like rocket science. That's where SEOpital comes in. It's an AI-powered content tool that helps you generate expert-level blog posts, product pages, and more faster and smarter. By combining real-time Google data with smart keyword tools, SEOpital takes the guesswork out of SEO. Say goodbye to duplicate content, keyword confusion, and hours of manual editing. If you're a blogger, marketer, or copywriter looking to boost rankings, this lifetime deal could be exactly what you've been waiting for. What is SEOpital? SEOpital is an all-in-one AI-powered SEO content creation tool designed to help you write high-quality, search-optimized content quickly. It uses real-time data from Google to ensure accuracy, relevance, and keyword alignment. You can create blog posts, product pages, and category pages in minutes, all optimized to rank. SEOpital also offers advanced features like keyword clustering, internal linking, duplicate content detection, and live performance tracking. With SEOpital, you can streamline your SEO strategy and produce expert-level content without relying on multiple tools or spending hours on research. Exclusive AppSumo lifetime offers available now. Officially, this thing could set you back $300 or even $600 depending on the tier, but lucky for us, AppSumo got our backs with a lifetime deal starting at just $49. And yes, it's a one-time payment, no monthly fees, ever. Here's how it breaks down. License Tier 1, one-time payment, $49, normally $300. You get 10 credits per month, 1 domain, unlimited keyword research, unlimited words, keyword position tracking, page performance tracking, duplicate content detection across your site, semantic optimization, internal linking, improve existing content, keyword clustering, SEO project management, perfect for solo bloggers or small teams. License Tier 2, one-time payment, $99, normally $600. You get 20 credits per month, unlimited domains, everything from Tier 1, plus the freedom to scale. If you're an agency or managing multiple sites, this one's a no-brainer. Check the link in the description for full plan details. But move fast, this special pricing is for a limited time only. 5 most important features that make SEOpital special. AI-generated content that ranks. SEOpital uses real-time Google data and AI writing to help you create blog posts, product pages, and category pages that actually rank. Smart keyword research and clustering. SEOpital helps you discover high-value keywords, groups them by intent, and builds a strategic plan to dominate your niche. Live SEO performance tracking. SEOpital shows real-time keyword positions, page insights, and even alerts you to internal keyword conflicts. Duplicate content detection. Google hates duplicate content, and SEOpital helps you avoid it like a pro. Internal linking suggestions. SEOpital recommends smart internal links to boost SEO and keep your visitors engaged longer. People who can get benefit from SEOpital. Bloggers, copywriters, digital marketers, Shopify sellers, affiliate marketers, agencies, content strategists. Snag an extra 10% off on AppSumo deals. Got your eyes on the SEOpital lifetime deal? Let's make that deal even sweeter. Extra 10% off alert. Visit SEOpital lifetime deal page on AppSumo. A little pop-up will appear, wait for it. Enter your email. Boom, get an extra 10% off code sent to your inbox. That's like double savings, because we love a good discount stack. Reviews that SEOpital lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Ready to stop guessing and start ranking? Dive into SEOpital today and transform your content workflow for good. Check the link in the description, explore the plans, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. Enjoyed the breakdown? Smash that like, pass it on to your crew, and hit subscribe for more tech treasure hunts. Catch you in the next one.